Good thing I'm taking 3 suitcases this time. Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, or for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Amy Rebecca, and this is a place where we get together to discuss all things personal development, intentional living, and dream chasing. I'm moving to Vietnam in 3 weeks. It's obviously too early to start packing, but I thought that in the interest of not leaving everything till the last possible minute like I usually do, have not packed a single thing yet. I'm moving in 2 days, and I am a complete disaster right now. That I would make a list of all of the clothes that I want to pack so that I at least have an idea of what the heck I'm doing. And quite frankly, it seemed like it might be quite a stressful task and I needed company, so here you are. You are my moral support. No delay, no procrastination this time. We're gonna jump straight on into it. Wish me luck, here we go. Oh my goodness. In the interest of trying to reduce how confusing and overwhelming this gets, I have broken everything down into categories. So I need to pack clothes for work, for evening wear, for casual, workout / lounging around my apartment like a slob. Let's do it. First up is work stuff, and shout out to Amy of the past because I have started putting all of my work clothes to one side of the wardrobe to make my life easier. Oh, my notebook is buried under the clothes. Ugh. I need to stand back up. So first up, I have 3 midi skirts. A plain burgundy one, a plain red one, and a stripy black and white one. And I also have 3 blouses. A plain black one, a patterned little sleeveless one, and a burgundy sleeveless one. So the burgundy blouse can go with the stripy skirt, and the black blouse can go with, well, all 3 of them. It's like a capsule wardrobe, but with far more clothes. Then I have 2 pairs of black trousers, a short little capri pair. I love these. I got them from Matalan for £12.50, and they are so stretchy and so comfortable. And then a long straight-legged pair as well. So any of the blouses can go with either of these trousers. Then I have 4 work dresses. This little spotty wrap over one, which I think will look cute with tights in the winter or without when it's a little bit warmer. I have this check one that's very loose and flowy that will work over tights or leggings. This red midi dress that I have owned for absolutely ever. And then this little green thing that I always used to wear over leggings when I lived in Bahrain, but I don't know if I'm over this. I've never really liked the way it looks on me, so I don't know. And then yesterday I saw this jumpsuit in New Look and I had to own it. It's just so light and so thin, and I love the little tie detail here. It was reduced to $20.99 and it has pockets. Then I have 3 cardigans that I could wear to work. A blue one that actually goes perfectly with that blue dress, a grey one that's kind of neutral, and a pink one, because even though I know that Hanoi is freaking incredibly hot during the summer, to the point where my nail technician, who is from Vietnam, told me not even to bother to take any of my own clothes because they would all be useless in Vietnam. It also gets quite cold in the winter, so I need to have cardigans. I don't have a black cardigan, and so that's something that I need to write down. Oh, where did I put my notebook? Why have I chosen to do this on the hottest day of the year? Next, I'm gonna pick out some evening / nicer clothes. Like if I'm going to a nice restaurant, a bar, I don't know, if I want to look kind of nice. Stop trying to stay in there, you're coming to Vietnam. What is the likelihood that I'm gonna need to be this extra at some point? I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Good thing I'm taking 3 suitcases this time. So I have not 1, not 2, but 3 dresses that I would consider to be more on the kind of like formal-ish side. This one is obviously for very special occasions because it's a lot. And then these 2 are the exact same dress in 2 different colors because when I like something, I like it a lot. I actually also have it in blue, but I feel like that would be excessive, right, to take all 3. This is kind of a little party dress that I love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dresses with sleeves. Obviously Vietnam is really, really hot for most of the year, but I lived in the Middle East for 3 years, and when I lived in Bahrain, I wore these dresses all the time. It feels like a lot. Feels like a lot because it is a lot. I don't even really know how fancy people get in Hanoi. Like in Bahrain, when you went out to brunch, you dressed up. Like you'd put on your dress and heels. I don't know if Hanoi is that kind of place. And instead of Googling that before I started this process, I decided to just wing it. Welcome to my life. That's very versatile. I'm taking that. I love this. I also love this one. And this is just, yeah, I'll leave this one. And maybe I'll take those 3. I really have a type, and I've just realized that my type is like a knee-length dress with some kind of flouncy sleeve. I didn't realize how many of them I had until just now. I'm also going to take some maxi dresses. I have this one, this one, this one, and this one. I just want to take everything. I am seeing a little bit of a problem, other than obviously, you know, like my weight restriction of my suitcase. I have all dresses. I feel like I should maybe have some skirts or shorts and tops. Don't you think? Like, my wardrobe is very one-dimensional. Don't necessarily feel like now is the right time to go and buy more clothes to put in my case, but it has got me thinking. Next, casual day wear type stuff. Oh, the elephant pants are coming. I don't want to do this anymore. This is for sure the biggest pile of clothes because it's the biggest category. This is what I'm going to be wearing most of the time. It's just casual stuff. And of course I need winter stuff and summer stuff. And I'm starting to think maybe I should have had 4 suitcases. Sorry if the background is suddenly really loud, but I had to open a window. It is so warm in here. So I've got a bunch of little like sundresses. I've got 4 pairs of denim shorts, 3 pairs of jeans. I've got some more cardigans, some little autumnal skirts, tops, lots of tops, 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 many tops. This feels like a lot. This feels like too much. And I'm glad that I'm doing this now ahead of time as opposed to when I'm actually packing it, because it's actually such a headache. I forgot how much of a headache it is to move. Right, I'm just going to go through all of this and see what do I actually really need to take and is there anything I can leave behind. Final category before I pass out either from heat exposure or hunger is loungewear and gym type stuff. This one's going to be really easy because I don't know, I just think it's going to be really easy. Okay, yeah, this was easy because I wear the same lounge clothes all the time. I don't have that much selection, which is weird because I spend a lot of time in loungewear. And then for gym stuff, I'm just pretty much bringing it all. Finally, a really positive and unexpected side effect of doing this today has been that I've been able to declutter a few more things out of my wardrobe. Seriously, moving is the best motivator for decluttering because you get to a point where you think, can I be bothered to pack this? No, I may as well just get rid of it then. So I got a nice little bundle of stuff that can go to the charity shop. I'm very ready to tap out of this video now. I'm sure it was such a short video, maybe only like 8 minutes long. It's taken me hours to do this. It was definitely worth doing though, because now I have a full list of everything that I want to take with me, as well as a few things that I need to go out and grab last minute. I know some of you watching this are going to be like, Amy, you don't need to take anywhere near that amount of stuff. And you're absolutely right. Like when I moved to Bahrain, I went with 1 suitcase. This time I'm going with 3. And that's a choice I've made because I really want to make Vietnam feel like my home. I want to fill my apartment full of things that are familiar to me and things that I love. As opposed to in the past when I've lived in Kuwait and then Bahrain, it felt so temporary. It always had this weird edge of feeling like I was living out of a suitcase. I want to feel settled in Vietnam, and so I'm taking everything. This has definitely taken some of the sting out of packing, which as everybody knows I hate. It's like it's the worst thing. But now I really need to go and have some lunch because it's like almost 3 o'clock. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. You are enough just as you are. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.